Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you all are well and fine. Are you a proud mother of the bride searching for the practiced dresses for the wear on your daughter's wedding day? Look no further. In this video, we have created a stunning collection of mother of the bride dresses that will make you look and feel your best on this momentous occasion. Join us as we explore the latest trends, style, and tips to help you choose the ideal dresses for your daughter's big day. From classic and timeless design to modern and chic options, we have got you covered. Our fashion experts will guide you through the key facts to consider you selecting your outfits, including colors coordination, fabric choice, and the importance of comfort. Whether you prefer a long flowing gown or neck length dresses with delicate deals, our fashion showcase includes a variety of options to suit your personal style. You will also find valuable advice on dresses so you can create a complete and harmonious look that complement the wedding theme. So girl, in this video you will see 100 new design, 100 new ideas. All the dresses is very awesome and beautiful. You can buy it from any online store. My dear friends, I always try to bring very useful updates and stylish content for you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. In my video, I always give you new and trendy ideas for ladies, which is about the latest and ladies style idea from all over the world that you can use to make your personality more charming and attractive. If you are a fashion lover, please subscribe my channel. My channel publish video that focus on new and amazing fashion style. So please girls, subscribe my channel and support me. We understand that every mother wants to shine on this special day while maintaining a sense of elegance and sophistication. We have carefully created a selection of dresses for every body types, ensuring that you will find a perfect fit that flatters your style out. So girls, don't miss out on the opportunity to make a statement and crash beauty memories with your family. Join us in this fashion journey as we help you discover the perfect mother of the bride dresses for a day you will always treasure. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest fashion tips and inspiration. Your perfect mother of the bride dresses await. As you know, as the temperature drops, it's essential to stay warm while still expressing your unique style. Our handpicked selections of plus-size winter dresses ensure that you are not only cozy but also trendy. We have scouted the fashion world to find pieces that suit variety body types and perfect preference. In this video, we will make you through a range of stunning winter dresses from cozy nights to elegant and formal options. We will provide you with stylish tips, outfit ideas, and even season guidance to make your winter wardrobe choice easier. Here is a sneak peek of what you will find in this video: cozy nightwear dresses. So get ready to snuggle up with warmth and style with our collections of cheeky nightwear dresses, perfect for casual day out or relaxed evening at home. For chic and elegant dresses for choose special winter occasion, we have handpicked some gorgeous dresses that are both flattering and fashion forward, making you the believe the ball.